In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create assignments and events using the calendar feature in Haiku. And I'm going to be using my Chrome Web Apps and Extensions class. What you'll want to do is head on over to the Calendar tab. And right up here at the top, you'll notice it says Add Assignment, and there's also a button that says Add Event. And assignments are really for your homework. So you'll be able to post any directions, you can put in a due date, and even attach a file. Whereas the events are more for upcoming quizzes or tests, or if you have a field trip. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add Assignment. I'm going to put in my assignment title. And then I can enter any details I want for that assignment. Now it's very important that you provide a due date for your assignment, and the reason being is that it won't show up on the calendar unless you do so. So I'm going to go ahead and click in the date box here, and I'm going to choose this upcoming Friday, and I'm going to leave the time set at 7:40 a.m. Now the only other really important decision you need to make is if you are going to have your students turn in the assignment electronically through Haiku, you'll want to leave this Show in Dropbox checked so that students can submit their assignment online. If you're going to collect the assignment in class, or if you're using Google Drive to collect the assignments electronically, you can uncheck that box. Finally, you can attach a file to this assignment, whether that's from Google Drive or from your computer, from its hard drive. And this is great if you have additional directions or a rubric that students will be using with this assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And this will now show up on the calendar. And if I click on that, it'll open up that window. I can see the additional information, and I can also edit the assignment or delete it if I choose. Let's take a look at events. So to add an event, I'm going to click the Add Event button. I'm going to put in the event title. So we're going to have a quiz. Very similar to assignments, I'm going to choose a date. So we're going to do this Thursday, the 4th. And I can enter a start and end time for this event, or I'm going to say this is no time all day. It's not going to repeat. And we're going to put a quiz on the Chrome Web Store and click Save. And now that quiz will appear on the calendar, and just like the assignment, I can click on that and I'm able to edit it right away or delete it. Now if you want to move forward or back through the calendar, you have these buttons here, which is very similar to Google Calendar, so I can jump forward a month if I want to do that, or jump back a month. And you can also click Jump To if you want to go to a specific month in the future or in the past, so I could jump to March 2015. And if I want to go back to the current date range, I can just click Today. So that's a real quick overview of how to add assignments and events to your Haiku calendar.